Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply effects to your picture on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. But let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should scroll down and tap on the plus icon down below in the middle and select a picture that you would like to edit. After that, you should click on the effects button down below, which is the first option in the left side corner. Here you can find a bunch of categories down below, such as trendy, VCR, bling, 90s, poster, light frame, Christmas, cool, trending, glitch, and so on. So select a category and then you are going to find these effects that you can apply to your picture. And after finding the relevant one, you should tap on this save button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on save photo and it will be saved to your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.